Before I am gonna start this video, be a member of my channel now and get access to perks and exclusiveness. Be a member now. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel again. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I am gonna talk about the monetization because finally guys, I am monetized. Yes, I was monetized last December 2024 and I am gonna show you the picture here. Ta-da! Okay, so I list some informations that are important in order to get monetized in YouTube. So first, you must have 1,000 subscribers. So I already have that one. And then 4,000 watch hours in 1 year, guys. So only 1 year. In 1 year, dapat ay meron na kayong 4,000 watch hours. And then, what I did to get that 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So first, listen. First, be consistent. You know, upload lang ng upload. Eventually, makakuha ka ng mga subscribers, authentic subscribers, not fake. And be consistent lang. Upload anything. Upload. This is based on my experience, ha? So I uploaded anything before. I started YouTube around 2020. I don't know. I forgot. Wait, I'm gonna check. I'm gonna point it here. I mean, right. So, first is be consistent. Sinabi ko na. Second, build playlist. So, gumawa kayo ng playlist based on ano yung mga videos nyo. For example, food vlogs, travel, ganon. I-build nyo ng playlist kasi there are people watching that and then eventually subscribe to your channel and then that adds watch hours. Third, upload short videos, okay? In my case, I uploaded a lot of short videos and guys, short videos added subscribers to your channel. Mag-a-add siya ng subscribers. Like, for example, I saw your short videos and, oh, blah, blah, blah. It's nice. So, I subscribe to you. And eventually, tumataas yung subscribers ko because of uploading short videos. If you can see sa aking YouTube account, ang dami kong mga short videos, guys. I swear. And then, number 4, is the most important one for me based on my experience is live stream. I always do live stream almost every day before pa ako na monetize. I always do live stream almost every day. And yeah, live streaming actually adds watch hours to your channel. So yun yung pinaka-importante para sa akin kasi because of that is nag-increase yung aking watch hour. And then, meron din tayong restream. Yung recorded na videos, tapos i-restream natin. And makikita na yun sa YouTube as live stream. So that, up to 11 hours lang siya dapat. And as you can see sa aking, ipapakita ko dito yung mga restream videos ko, guys. And that actually added watch hours to my channel also. I think mga more than a month siya na ginagawa ko. And then I reached 4,000 watch hours. And that's why on December 2024, I got invited to YPP, YouTube Partner, ano ba yung YPP? YouTube Partner Program at? Yes. So, if I can do it, you can also do it. But this is based on my experience lang. So good luck and I hope you will be monetized also soon. Okay, by the way guys, this is important. So YouTube Shorts watch hours are not included or not recorded towards the 4,000 watch hours requirement. So they do not count as watch time in our 4,000 watch hours. So even if you upload a lot of YouTube Shorts, it's not included in the watch hours. So, yung advantage lang ng YouTube Shorts is nag-a-add siya ng subscribers but not watch hours. So, I just want you to know that because it's important. Baka kasi nagko-question kayo kung why your watch hours are still very small, where in fact that you uploaded a lot of YouTube Shorts videos. So yun, hindi siya included, guys. 4,000 watch hours can only be achieved with long form videos like yung mga 10 minutes and up or 5 minutes, basta hindi shorts, and then sa live stream also. So yun yung nag-a-add talaga ng watch hours, guys. So now if you don't know yet, then now you know. Okay, since I am already monetized, and that doesn't mean na I am earning money already. Okay, so there is still a YouTube threshold, which is $100, and after you reach that $100, then that's the time that you will get the YouTube salary. You will start getting your salary after you reach the threshold, which is $100. So right now, I am not yet earning. I am earning, but I still have to do that $100 threshold before I will get the money. You know, if you know what I mean. Anyway, I'm still thankful that I am already monetized on YouTube, and hopefully I can create a lot of vlogs or videos or YouTube Shorts. And yes, thank you so much, guys, for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, and I hope you continue to support me in the long way, in the long run. And that's all. Thank you so much also to our God. Thank you so much, Lord. Anyway, see you guys in my next videos. Bye. Bye-bye.